Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to type with uppercase letters on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to have a notepad file open here just so we can demonstrate what I'm showing on the screen. So first thing, if you wanted to type a whole bunch of words in capital letters, I would suggest left clicking on the caps lock key on your keyboard one time. And now you type in capital letters. As you can see, if you had a specific letter or you wanted to start a sentence off with a capital letter, you can just achieve this by holding down the shift key while typing that respective letter. So let's say I want to type the, so you can see the, I just held down the shift key while holding down the T, so that made the T capital, and the rest remains lowercase. Another thing about if you have the caps lock enabled, so going back to what I originally was talking about, so if you have the cap enabled, so caps lock, while caps lock is enabled, if you held down the shift key and typed the letter, it would appear lowercase. So while caps lock is enabled, it'll inverse the functionality of the shift key. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.